Good morning, everyone. As yesterday, we have started our third basic operation, and that is division. And in that, we have divided by two-digit divisor, and today here I have three-digit divisor. So first we will divide this, and then after we will check our answer also. I'll let you know that how you can check your answer of division, means the division algorithm that I'm going to tell you today. After solving the sum, you will be able to find out that whether your division sum, your long division is correct or not. So let us start this question. First of all, what we will do, we will just arrange this in the same manner like we have arranged. So write down the dividend, and here divisor. You can see here I have three-digit divisor. Yesterday also we have the margin line in which we have written the table according to our requirement, and today also, as we need table of 789, so what we will do, we will just multiply it. So here I have written up to 4. First of all, we will see these numbers, and then after we will just solve the sum accordingly. So let us see the answers. 789 twos are 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. So here we have 1 5 7 8. Now come to the next one. It is 2 3 6 7, and then we have 3 1 5 6. So here we have seen 789 twos are, threes are, and fours are, and according to requirement we can just write 5 6 7 8 and so on. So here you can see that we have three-digit divisor, right? And here in the dividend we have 123, that is three-digit number, but because 123 is smaller than 789, so what we will do, we will take four-digit number. So we will take this four-digit number and we will see whether this comes in table 789 or not. So we have, you can see I have written up to 4, but 789 twos are 1578, which is greater than this. So obviously we will take it on the first number. So our answer will be 789. Subtract. Here we have to subtract. So 4 will borrow. 14 minus 9 will be 5. This will become 12. 12 minus 8 4, and 11 minus 7 will be 4. So we have got 445 now. Even if we have three-digit divisor, our steps are same. So now we will just bring the number down, that is 5. Now we will look for 4455 in 789. So here we don't have, so we can go up to 5 also to see. 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 4 39. So here I have got 3945, right? So we can check 6 also, maybe it is also smaller than that. So 6 9s are 54, 6 8s are 48 plus 5 53, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 5 47. So but this is greater than this, so we will go for the smaller number, means on 5 we will take 3945. Subtract. Now just subtract 0. Here again we will borrow. So here we will borrow. Here it is not needed because we can just subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 14 minus 9 will be 5. Now what we will do, we will just bring the next number down, and that is 6. Now we have 5106 here, and here we have 4734. So we will see that whether we can go up to 7. 7 nines are 63, 7 eights are 56 plus 6, 62, 49 plus 6, 49 plus 6, that is 55. Right, now as this is greater than 5106, so we will go for 6. So we will write 6, and it is 4734. Subtract. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. Here it will borrow 10 minus 3 7, 10 minus 7 3. I am just simply subtracting it. Right, if you can use your rough space for this also, means if you want to subtract it, then you can subtract, then in your rough work also. Then we will bring the next number, that is 7. Now we will look, see here, do we have the number? No, we don't have 3727, so we will go for the smaller one, that is on 4th, that is on 4 we have 3156. 3156. So when we will subtract it, we will just subtract 12 minus 5 7, and 6 minus 1, that is 5. So here we have the answer, leftover answer, which is our remainder. This is the answer of division sum, that is question. So we will write it. So here my question is 1564. Remainder is the leftover number, that is 571. The number by which we are dividing is our divisor, that is 789, and the number which we have written in between is our dividend, and dividend is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now what we will do, we will just check our answer by applying division algorithm, and that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I am representing this. Now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now you can see divisor is 789, quotient is 1564, and remainder is 571. Now we can see that we have a equation in which we have to multiply divisor and quotient, and then in the answer we will add 571. 789 into 1564. First we will multiply, and then after we will add 571. Always keep in mind. So after multiplying this, we will get 1233996. You can again use your rough space to multiply these numbers. Multiplication we have done, so just multiply it and then add the remainder in that, and after adding it we will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have got the dividend. Now you can see the value of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I am just sending some of the questions to divide, and then you have to check also. So just, and in every question you will write this: dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. Thank you.